April 1989, a beautiful odyssey began in the path of quality education. A tiny seed that was to become a giant tree, Chirek was sowed in the form of Children's Recreation Centre. It was an idea whose time had come. Conceived, executed and nurtured by Mrs. Ratna Reddy, this little seed started taking shape in a small building in the form of a summer camp. The camp offered professional coaching in fine arts, performing arts, indoor and outdoor sports, all under one roof. The slogan was, "Recreation is not just child's play." Indeed, a dream come true for the parents and for their toddlers. The foundation was strong with a strength of 240 students. The Chirek song was written, and that too by none other than the students of the first summer camp. The music was composed by the then music teacher, Mr. John Giles. It was now time to integrate innovative teaching methods to the regular academic curriculum. This was the beginning of the Chirek Nursery with 53 students at road number 12, Banjara Hills. The number increased and the classes were now held at two branches, one at Jubilee Hills and the other at Begumpet. This sure was an indication of the success of the idea. Chirek continued its journey, and in 1993-94, the first Chirek magazine was launched, the Chirek Expression. Indeed, it was the creation of the first milestone in Chirek's journey. Look at the list of awardees, including Mrs. Smita Shroff and Mrs. Savita Allah. And one of the recipients of this award was Mrs. Neeraja. 1994-95, Chirek saw the acquisition of land for the main school complex in Kondapur. In 1996-97, Chirek shifted to the partially completed Kondapur campus. Distance was a concern and the parents were worried about their children's breakfast and lunch. But when they saw that this was a campus and a school that delivered more value than it promised, parents flocked to the school and it became an overnight success. Don't miss Mr. Chiranjeevi as one of our guests. And how can we miss this first advertisement for Chirek, 1998-99, created by none other than the students themselves. 1999-2000, the journey that began with a single step had completed a decade. Every little step we took left a footprint and created a milestone in the path of quality education. To mark the completion of 10 years, Chirek reached out to the community and held a special 15-day camp for underprivileged students. The popularity of the school grew by leaps and bounds, and children participated actively in inter-school competitions. The computer lab added a new dimension to the school. The first batch did exceptionally well, and Neha Bigane scored the highest with 93.6%. This year saw a lot of firsts. The first farewell party, the first school website, and the first time online lessons were uploaded. It was also the time when the teachers became more computer savvy. 2001-2. Not only studies, Chirek created milestones in sports too. The gold medal on table tennis star Shubham Sharma brought glory to the school. An array of fun activities like the inauguration of the open-air auditorium, Chirekians participating in the A.R. Rahman Lata Mangeshkar show made the whole year a series of celebrations. Nikhila Pinjala went on a Rotary International Youth Exchange program, and Sondra Cummings from Ohio, USA came to Chirek for the same. An inter-school extravaganza called Vibrations was held, and as many as 53 schools participated in various events. Shubham Sharma continued his winning spree in table tennis, and Ashrita D began to sprint her way to success. 2004-05. On the mark, Get set, go! Chirek was all set and hosted the CBSE National Athletic Championship. Dr. Y.S. Rajshekhar Reddy was the chief guest. He is flanked by Mrs. Rajalakshmi, the then principal, Sania Mirza, Gagan Narang and Mr. Venkatesh. Chirekians were in high spirit and the girls' team won the first place in 4x100 meters relay. In 2006 and 7, grey cells were put to work and Varun Warrior of class 11 won the Brain Bee quiz contest and went to USA to participate in the finals. This year, the school also celebrated the Grandparents' Day and the Senior Citizens' Day to strengthen our cultural roots and bring a glow of happiness on the faces of our respected senior citizens. In 2007 and 8, the focus was on strengthening the family values and we hosted Born for Better, a family festival. Parents participated in various events hosted by teachers, leading to a fun-filled day and celebrations both for parents and children. The year is 2008 and 9. The seed that was planted long ago bore the fruit with the selection of Akriti Shroff to Massachusetts Institute of Technology. She has not only made the school proud, but has also inspired and motivated others to realize their dreams. The visit by some of our school alumni refreshed some pleasant memories, and it was a pure joy to meet them after so many years. Two of our Chirek summer camp alumni, Abhishek Agarwal and Nishita Bodu, came back to school as parents. The celebrations of 20 glorious years of Chirek began with the launch of a brand new logo, the concept of Synergize to Succeed, and a pulsating new Chirek song written by students once again and set to music by Mr. Ramana Gogula, a parent. The inaugural program was a great hit with the students, and the closing ceremony saw stars descend upon Chirek campus and the live depiction of the Chirek logo. This year, we have started the Chirek Cambridge division and have almost completed the new building.
In the academic year 2009 and 10, the 20th birthday of Chirek set forth a spiral of 20 events that included the students in self and social upliftment. A few of them being art camp, poetry writing, adopting a grandparent, animal action week, and staff exchange program. In the academic year 2010 and 11, Chirek affiliated itself with the Cambridge AS and A level, accepting newer educational challenges. Being with children is a carnival, and Chirek recognized this on its Children's Day this year. Our students supported NDTV's Save the Tiger campaign by selling products that the students made themselves. We were recognized by Mr. Amitabh Bachchan and Mr. Pranoy Roy on NDTV's telethon for our contribution, offering ourselves to a lifetime of discipline, defense, cultural diversity and community service. NCC was introduced. In the academic year 2011 and 12, Chirek also ventured into a new academic challenge of incorporating the International Baccalaureate Diploma program. The Chirek community organized the Chirek Fete as a fundraiser to sustain community development initiatives of the school. This year, the students participated in the Global Young Leaders Conference held in the United States, where the students exchanged views on world relations and solutions pertaining to that. We set the ground this year for the United States India Education Foundation Fair, in which 22 universities gave our students information on their undergraduate programs. Singer Vani Jayaram honored us with her presence and encouraged the artist in our students. In the academic year 2012 and 13, Srimati D.K. Aruna, Minister for Information, Public Relations and Cinematography, along with VVS Lakshman, the international cricketer, inaugurated our Gachibowli campus. we paid our tribute to science with Synergy, a science fair where our students assembled a 4-feet-long hovercraft, a full-fledged rocket, and a 4-stroke bike. We organized the Sphinx, a literary, cultural, and sports extravaganza. In our outbound this year, we experienced an underwater escapade, scuba diving, in the Andamans. This year, we inaugurated the Chirek Mock United Nations, which saw participation from several schools across the country, raising the bar for Chirek. Chirek started the Waves of Change by participating in community service, Go Green initiative, and sanitation drive. Miss Amala Akineni, as the chief guest of the Go Green initiative, enlightened the students on the best of Mother Nature and the worst of human nature. The National School Sanitation Awards 2012 was conferred on Chirek for scoring 83% in the blue category. This award was presented by the Honorable Minister for Human Resource and Development, Shri M.M. Pallam Raju. In the academic year 2013 and 14, Chirek organized a summer camp for the adopted upper primary government school at Masjid Banda, where our teachers taught the students skills of fine arts, performing arts, basketball, and cricket. They also conducted spoken English classes and training in first aid.
All this has been due to the synergy created by the parents, the students, the staff, and of course, Mrs. Ratna and her team.
This year holds importance for all, our parents, students, and staff. As Chirek steps into its 25th year, there is a lot in store. Let's get together and celebrate 25 years and beyond.